A sleek and stylish design, a dazzling AMOLED curved display, a powerhouse performance, and an absolutely impressive camera capabilities, all together at an unbeatable price. Meet the all-new ultimate all-rounder, POCO X7. Hello everyone, it is Amit here and I am back again with yet another review video. And today I have the newly launched POCO X7 with me, which I have been using for about 2 weeks now. POCO X7 has got some amazing specs on board, like a powerful MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra chipset, CrystalRes 1.5K 120Hz AMOLED curved display, 50 megapixel main camera with OIS and EIS, IP68 dust and water resistance, a massive 5110 mAh battery with 45 watt turbocharging, and a lot more which I will be telling you further in this video. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting with the design first, POCO X7 introduces a sleek and curved aesthetic, which is quite a shift from the flat design of its predecessor. The curved design not only adds to its premium appeal, but also makes it more comfortable to hold. The device is lightweight and features an eye-catching texture on the back. I'm in love with it. Trust me, POCO X7 does not just look good, it also feels good. With just 185 grams of weight, it is not at all a burden for your hands. The weight distribution overall gives you a great in-hand feel. When it comes to ports and buttons, the POCO X7 is thoughtfully designed. On the right, you will find the volume rockers and the power button. The bottom houses the SIM card tray, a speaker grill, a USB Type-C port, and a microphone. On the top, there is a secondary speaker, an IR blaster, and a noise-cancelling microphone. POCO X7 comes with IP68 rating for its dust and water resistance. And you know the best thing? It is the first POCO device to have that IP rating. Moving on to the display, POCO X7 has got a huge CrystalRes 1.5K 120Hz AMOLED curved display with 3000 nits of peak brightness, DCI-P3 wide color gamut, Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus support. I absolutely loved the display of POCO X7 and how vibrant the content appeared on it. If you are someone who spends a lot of time on media consumption, this device will undoubtedly win you over. Over the past couple of weeks, I experimented with various videos and games, and I must admit the visual experience was exceptional. The display delivers crisp, clear visuals with excellent color contrast and sharpness, making every frame truly stand out. The 3000 nits of peak brightness is truly remarkable. Even under bright sunlight, whether I was watching movies, playing games, or simply performing everyday tasks, I never encountered any visibility issues. The POCO X7 features wideband L1 certification, allowing you to stream HD content on Netflix seamlessly. Additionally, it boosts Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection on the front, ensuring enhanced durability and resistance against scratches or accidental drops. A fantastic combination for an immersive and secure viewing experience. We also get the 120Hz high refresh rate with the touch sampling rate being at 480Hz. The POCO X7 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra chipset, built on a flagship TSMC 4nm process. Combined with LPDDR4X and UFS 2.2, it delivers stable and smooth performance. From seamless social media scrolling to heavy multitasking, app launches and swift switching, the experience has been impressively snappy. Memory configurations for the POCO X7 include 8GB 256GB and 12GB 512GB, the latter being my variant. POCO X7 has handled my everyday performance with great smoothness. It toggled through multiple apps at a time like a pro. The high performance of the chipset is clearly evident in the benchmark scores as well. Now, let's talk about one of the key aspects, gaming. Over the past couple of weeks, I have played a ton of games on my POCO X7, and the gaming performance has been impressively efficient, even with demanding titles like Genshin Impact. I have got stable FPS as well throughout my gaming sessions. That's very nice. Also, the touch response is great too. The 480Hz of touch sampling rate makes the gaming experience really enjoyable. The POCO X7 features an impressive camera setup, including a 50 megapixel Sony IMX882 primary sensor with an 1.5 large aperture, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixel macro camera. The large aperture enhances light intake and delivering vibrant and detailed photos even in low light conditions, making it a great choice for night photography. With OIS on board, blurry photos are a thing of the past. OIS ensures sharp, stable shots even when you are on a move. Night mode further enhances images with excellent exposure, minimal noise, and balanced colors. The 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens captures stunning shots with an impressive dynamic range and vibrant color processing. The 20 megapixel front camera provides accurate skin tone rendering and enhanced beauty features, ensuring striking selfies in any lighting condition. The portrait shots are equally nice. Everything goes smoothly and perfectly, from contrast and exposure handling to depth estimation. The subjective detection and the default background bokeh effect has come out as excellent in all the shots we have taken so far. The POCO X7's macro camera delivers impressive close-up shots, capturing fine details with minimal noise. It excels in vibrant lighting, offering sharpness and vivid colors. On the video side, the POCO X7 supports up to 4K at 30 fps with OIS and EIS dual stabilization. The video quality from the main camera is crisp, detailed and smooth. The HyperOS experience on the POCO X7 is fantastic, running on Android 14 out of the box. The overall fluidity and smoothness of usage are superb, making navigation effortless. For enhanced security and convenience, it features a flagship-level in-display fingerprint scanner that's both accurate and fast. Additionally, for those who prefer it, the phone also supports Face Unlock, offering another reliable and quick way to access your device. The POCO X7 impresses with its 5110 mAh battery, offering excellent endurance. With moderate usage, it easily lasts a full day, and even during heavy usage, I managed around 6.3 hours of screen on time, which is remarkable. The included 45-watt charger quickly powers the phone from 0 to 100% in just 60 minutes, making charging fast and efficient. The POCO X7 delivers an outstanding audio-visual experience with its stereo speaker setup, Dolby Atmos, and high-resolution audio support. If you are someone like me who enjoys watching movies and series on your phone, the sound quality will surely impress you. The rich immersive audio enhances the overall experience, making it feel more cinematic. And now it's time to wrap up this video. Honestly, POCO X7 has been doing just great as my daily driver. It has got an insanely powerful processor, a stunning vivid display, an efficient camera, amazing gaming performance, and superb battery life. It is the best deal out there to grab. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have any further questions about this device, or if you have any feedback for my videos, do let me know in the comments. Till then, stay safe. I will see you guys in my next video.